Okay, so the last step in the top-down process here involves selecting individual securities. To do this, you conduct fundamental and technical analysis. Okay, that's what we went through that in chapters 14 and I can't remember, I think chapter 12. All right, so as you determine which securities you want in the portfolio that you're building and how to weight each security, okay, you must be mindful of the weights the individual stocks have in your benchmark. So here we go, this is the S&P 500. Here are the top 10 stocks in the S&P 500 as of the recent date. So Apple was 3.63% of the S&P 500. Microsoft, 3.5%. Okay? So any weight differences between your portfolio and your benchmark, let's say you decide you don't like Apple, okay? So you're not going to have Apple in your portfolio. You're making a big bet, okay? You're betting that Apple is going to underperform because you have zero exposure to Apple. You have underweighted Apple. And you might put Dell computer in instead of Apple. And you see that Dell's not anywhere in here. You're making a huge bet. Now you're doubling down. Not only are you short Apple, but you're long a stock that's not even in the index. So you might have a technology stock, but it's not Apple. And so any differences between your portfolio and the benchmark will contribute to performance variances. And those variances, hopefully you will have a positive variance, meaning that you're adding value by bottom-up stock picking. But you could have a negative variance. So it's just something you need to be mindful of as you're picking individual securities. You do your fundamental and technical analysis. You decide which stocks you want in your portfolio and what the weightings are going to be. And any differences between your portfolio and your benchmark will contribute in a positive way, hopefully, a negative way, hopefully not, to the performance of your portfolio versus the performance of your benchmark. All right. Shalom.